Hi guys, Cody here with Edge Pro Sharpening Systems, and a little while ago I introduced you guys to the retractable magnet for the Apex model. Well, today I'd like to show you how we're incorporating this new magnetic feature with the professional model. The feature I'm about to show you is being incorporated with every professional model that leaves the factory now. So it doesn't matter which kit you get, whether it be the professional model 1, 2, 3, or 4 kit, they're all being shipped with this new magnetic feature. At the front of the blade table, we're drilling a hole that goes about 90% of the way through the front of the table. And at the bottom of the hole is a retaining screw. You'll be provided with two cylinder-shaped magnets that are 1 inch long that slide in the hole, and the retaining screw at the bottom of the hole will hold the magnets in place and keep them from falling out, or from pulling out if you were sharpening a large blade and sliding the knife across the table as you sharpen. You can quickly add the magnets or remove them with the magnet key provided. When the magnets are installed, you can store the key under the blade table to make it easy to keep track of. You can use both magnets for stronger magnetism, or you can use just one of them if you prefer a lighter level of magnetism. If you already own a professional model and you'd like to have this feature, the first thing you're going to want to do is either email or call us so you can find out what the current pricing is. And we'll have you ship us just the main body of your Pro with the guide plate, and we'll replace your old table with the new magnetic version. If you have any questions, give me a call and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.